Hello everybody, my name is 21J-Man, and welcome back to another one of my videos, and today we are going to be discussing one more thing, and it is, I bought another PC part. You guys know about the first video I made called The Road on Building My First Gaming PC. Well, this is going to be a part 2 to that, because I'm going to do this for every part I buy. And make certain parts out of it, and then there will be like a finale where I actually, like a 2 or 3 part finale where I actually build the PC. But yeah, I got something at Best Buy today. It was on sale for a pretty cheap price. Like, you would find stuff like at the same exact, you'd find the same exact like specifics like at $48, but I got this for like $35. But it's probably one of the more essential parts to power your system at all. Speaking of which, got a 600 watt EVGA power supply. This is an ATX power supply. Got this at Walmart. It was $37 including tax. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. It looks to be pretty cool. It comes with like a 3-year warranty and everything. It's got an 80 plus certified power efficiency. And yeah, it's just a pretty good deal for a power supply. I didn't think I would find an actual power supply to be like this cheap, because I had seen like 500 watts for this cheap, but I'd seen like if I ever upgrade, I guess, to a different, if I ever upgrade to a completely different computer, or if I get new parts for a computer, I'm probably going to get like a 1000 watt, just to make sure I have enough to power everything. Like, this will be fine for what I'm doing. Like 600 watts, that's fine. Heck, I could even like if I wanted to, I could technically use 450, but I like to have a little extra power in case I want to upgrade something just a little bit. But if I ever need to, I will get like a 1000 watt or a 900 watt, something like that. But yeah, this is a pretty good power supply, at least it looks like it. And I actually did all the calculations for what my machine would cost if I were to build it all, including the stuff I have right now, which is the graphics card, the 1050 Ti, and the 600 watt power supply right here. Roughly, it would be like $640, which where I was originally going to buy this one computer called the HP Envy. It was at Best Buy. It used to be $699, but now it's like $729. So it's like $730. So I'm basically I'm making a more powerful system than I was originally going to buy, because it had an SSD, it had 12 gigs of RAM, but who cares? Unlike about 128 gigabytes of SSD, that's not much for an SSD. So, like, I'm just probably gonna get a 1 terabyte hard drive, and maybe someday get a when I upgrade, I might get a like 250 gigabyte SSD. But this will work fine. Everything else will work perfectly fine. So yeah, when we went there, it had a i5 6400, 12 gigabytes of RAM. It also had, what else did it have? It had it had a 128 gigabyte SSD, 12 gigs of RAM, i5 6400, and didn't list the power supply, so I don't know everything about it, but it listed a good amount of stuff on there. And it came with a disk drive, which I'm probably not going to be using for my PC. Probably just going to get, like, if I get Windows 10, I'm probably going to get a USB flash drive of Windows 10 to download it that way. But I'm building a more powerful system because, like, it had a crappy GPU. Like, it had, like, a 720p GPU, like, and that won't work at all. Because I was really going to buy it for some light gaming and as well as some editing, Whereas this one will work even better because not only does it have a better CPU, instead of the 6400, I'm getting the 6500, which right now on Amazon is about the same price anyway. Because I'm getting that, it'll be better CPU. I have a way better GPU, as well as I think it's probably going to be, it's definitely a better power supply, because I'm pretty sure they don't have a 600 watt power supply in that thing. Like, seriously, that won't even need 430. But yeah, and I was originally saving up for that, but then I had like $200 something, and we were at Best Buy. I was looking around, I was looking at some of the laptops and stuff, because I was really going to get that, and I had thought about getting a PC for, like, building a PC for a while, so then I just went and decided to get a 1050 Ti instead, where it cost me about $160, including all tax, which is about $10 tax. But yeah, anyway, this is the part 2 on the road to building my PC. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please hit the like button, as well as comment down below of what you thought of this video. Subscribe for more content. Anyway, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Peace out, and bye-bye, everybody. Love you all.